Hey, it's Ollie here from Jewelry Brands. Today I have the Star Wars Power Pack from Jewelry Brands. It's a limited make. There's only 5,000 available. I have number 4,835 from that 5,000. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. As you can see, there are some neat tidbits from the movie as well. Let's put this off to the side. Styrofoam. It is a detailed box. These are made from durable base metals that are pretty weighty as well. Here I have the projectile dart and gauntlet holder as worn by Boba Fett. They are from base metal again, so I'll make a, if you guys can hear that. The pin is removable, also a magnet as well, so you can place on anything. Place that here. Over here is a melted Darth Vader helmet pin. This was prayed to by Kylo Ren in the new Star Wars trilogies. It's also a magnet as well. And last but not least is the Medal of Yavin, awarded to Han Solo and Luke Skywalker for the Battle of Yavin. It's pretty heavy because they're all made from base metals. It can be worn as well. This is a certificate of authenticity stating that these are official Star Wars licensed materials. It does show the number as well of the box, which is a neat little signature on it. And it is number 4,835 of the 5,000 that are available on Jewelry Brands. Go ahead and get you guys a box.